right, 2008 Threads. And watch us get some Matt Ryans. Do a touchdown pass today. Watch.
I'm feeling a Ronnie Brown rookie in there. Autograph.
It's 08. These are 08 cards.
Yeah, but that's a special insert.
So just pull these ones out. Westbrook, out for 2 years. No, seriously. Generations.
That's a good card right there, Whitman.
I'm gonna use those for the fire set. I need those. Alex Smith, he's a great. Oh, there's a rookie. Kenton Bulmer. Get your Julius Jones in your fantasy. This one was open quick. Someone messed with it. Someone put like the.
Injected it with some.
There it is. Some Steve Smiths.
Nice.
Fresh off suspension. Roddy White. They had to open that one, put in that James Jones. Those are limited to 1 million.
This is one.
Ooh, that's a throwaway. Get your Reggie Brown. Get your Reggie Brown before he plays the snap this year. What do you think about that, Brian?
That might be a good one. That was hard to open.
Yeah, 2 comments and
3 more.
3 more comments. Love it.
Nice.
Thanks.
The one right here.
Thanks, Donruss.
This one.
This is the one. Ooh, it's the one for the Steven Jackson.
Dave's drooling.
Wait, is it?
Oh, that's a Gale Sayers, Devin Hester.
Wow.
Not the one.
Fantastic. Bernard Berrian. Early Doucette rookie. And you got the Tavares. If you got him in your fantasy football team, you're probably losing. Check the others and see if they're numbered.
No.
Maybe you'll get a Chris Taylor rookie.
Ooh, I got a Brett Favre's brother, Jordy Nilsson.
Jordy.
Fantastic.
All right.
That is number 500, and it's his jersey number 261. Ooh, got a John Elway, number 2 out of 100, and that's John Elway's jersey number when he was in high school.
When he was the punter.
This is the one.
Ooh, that is the one. That is the Chris Long.
Nice.
49 out of 50. That was his jersey number. In
What was your jersey number,
The
Dave?
next one's that one.
Number 9 and 12. 9 in hockey,
This could
and
be a rookie card.
in football it was 54.
Oh, I knew it.
55 for me.
Tom Zbrikowski, 212 out of 250. That amazingly was his high school number. If you add all 4 of his years and then divide it by 2
This is only refractor. Watch this refractor.
in it.
How are you just going to throw a Tony Romo up there like that? You don't have a specialist position?
So commons are commons.
Refractor. You got the refractor cardboard.
I got the Grossman. That's the hit so far in the box. The Grossman.
This is the one.
Deshaun. Ooh. A Gary Barnage. Did you see him this week? Look at, he's not even using regulation football.
Who does he play for?
He plays.
Carolina, right?
Well, I mean, his card says Carolina, but we're not sure if he plays for them. But he's playing with the Nerf, I think, so kind of worried about that. He may be like number 1 in the Nerf league.
So he plays for Detroit.
Chad Johnson. Oh, this is not the Ocho Cinco version. So put that right next to the Rex Grossman hit. Get your buck holder, because this book's out for 2 years. Oh, the Matt Ryan, Harry Douglas dual jersey, 138 out of 500. If you take 83 plus the 7 and then the 2, whatever.
Cool.
Alright, so you got double Matt Ryan hits.
I need some water and drink it over here.
2 more hits. 2 more hits.
It's this one. Oh, sweet.
Got a Cadillac. I thought that was one of my hits. It may be. I should pull it down here with my Rex Grossman.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Ooh.
This one.
I just want to thank the guy in the back for letting me win. Mike Hart, Gridiron Kings. And winner, Aaron Rodgers. There it is. Out of 1 million. That's for $200. Dave, you want it? I'll give you first shot.
Okay, but I'll give you $2.
Marcus Colson, he's out. He's on my bench. I would play him, but you know, I want to win.
This is one of them right here.
I'm gonna get 2 more hits.
Left it.
This pack is one of them.
3 more after.
You gotta call it out when it's the last one, right?
No.
John Stallworth's son. Just kidding.
It's the
Whatever.
next one.
This one?
I've been saying that on every one. The law of averages doesn't really work that way.
TJ Hoosh. Oh, Fred
I
Taylor.
was right.
I was right. I picked that one. I knew it was that one. Is it this one or that one? The last one.
If you say it 24 times in 24 packs,
This
it's
one's
bound to
just
happen.
You called it. You called it. Vince Young.
That one's the real one.
Vince Young, you should throw
Here,
that.
pick him
one
up,
right.
fantasy.
Last one.
This is the one. Next one. No, the next one.
The next one.
Till the next box.
Oh,
Oh, I told
redemption.
you.
Who's 211? Get out the
Checklist.
Get the checklist. That's the wrong checklist. It's this one.
What's 211?
What's this?
Okay, look it up. 212. On
What is it though?
autographed rookies.
Yeah, like what is it? Oh, autograph rookie?
Autographed rookies.
Alright,
Fantastic. 211.
What?
What does that mean?
It's a
like
redemption.
is it?
Okay, it's gonna be a number 211. Marcus Thomas, just who I always wanted.
All right then.
Fantastic.
All right then.
I think he's a receiver for the Ravens.
Great.
So he's gonna make a Hall of Fame career there.
It's like your mom figures, right?
Fantastic.